This is a house for sale in Pearland, Texas, assigned to Shadow Creek High School. This house has 4 bedrooms, 2 stories, plus a family room. The best part of this house is that outside you have a nice backyard, 2-car garage, and a gated driveway. So you can park like 4 to 6 cars there. If you want more info on this house and want to see all the houses in Pearland, in Shadow Creek Ranch subdivision, click on the link below or send me a message. On the first floor, that's the front door. You have an office space and a formal dining area. Washer and dryer room next to the kitchen. Kitchen has a electric range. You have an island and granite countertops. Another good thing about this house is the primary bedroom is on the first floor. This is the guest bathroom. This is the primary bedroom with no carpet on the first floor. The bathroom has 2 sinks, tap and a shower, and a big size closet. We're gonna go upstairs where you have 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a family room. To get the list of all the houses for sale in Pearland, in Shadow Creek Ranch subdivision, click on the link below or send me a message. Upstairs you have, this is the family room. It's a big area, open space looking to the living room. That's nice. You have a full bathroom. That's bedroom number 2 with a closet. And then you have 2 more bedrooms, so total of 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Bedroom number 3, closet, and it's sharing the bathroom, Jack and Jill style. So this is the shower. So 2 stories, 4 bedroom house in Pearland, in Shadow Creek Ranch subdivision. To get a list of all the houses for sale, click on the link below or send me a message.